Dear friends in Belarus, 2020 was a very difficult and hard year for many of you who took to the streets to fight for democracy and free and fair elections. But it was also a very promising year because people in Belarus stood up for democracy and for their rights. And I believe that in the end, democracy and freedom will prevail. We, as parliamentarians here in Germany, know very well how important parliamentary democracy is for a peaceful transfer of power. Public debate in parliament, public decision-making, public disclosure of the opinions of different political parties is key to the success for any reform effort in any country. So I believe that a democratic transition in Belarus will take place in 2021 thanks to your endurance, thanks to your continuing fight for democracy and liberty. And I wish you the very best for you and for the people of Belarus.